Rise and fall market is one of the common market that most derivative traders trade, but you'll find that rise and fall market or type of trading is one of the easiest and also one of the toughest market to trade. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, feel most welcome. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I cracked the binary code and I found a way of trading rise and fall market the easiest way. Now what you're seeing on your screen is the interface of Pickbox AI, and the Pickbox AI, as you know, always is one of the best AI tools to ever exist in the world. This AI tool helps you analyze the derivative markets, gives you all the trade entries, and all you have to do is confirm if your parameters are correct so that you can enter your market, okay, or you can rather enter your trade. So what you're seeing, guys, here is the graph that literally shows us how the market is moving, and as you can see, the market is bullish right now. It's going up, okay. So this is a rise kind of market, and you are now currently we are on a fall market, and you can see that the market is coming down using this graph right here. So let's say I was to enter a rise trade, okay. I was to enter a rise trade. This market is going up right now, and suddenly it's coming down, it's going up again. So if I entered a rise entry, let's say here, okay, and I was working with around 3 ticks, so the market, you see, was going up, but now suddenly you see the market is going down again, and it might close down below my price level. And if I was to trade like that, meaning I would have lost all my coins and I would have been in losses right now. So what I did instead, I came up with this strategy down here, okay. So I said, instead of focusing on the market going up and going down, what if we check the probability percentage of the market going up and the market going down? So in short, I'm trying to say that this, what you're seeing right here, is the representation of whatever analysis is happening and whatever is happening in the market. So this AI tool does it this way. It gives me the probability percentage of the market going up and the probability percentage of the market going down. So what you can see here, we have the fall market. The fall market is at 57%, okay. And if you check on the rise market, the rise market is at 39%, okay. And if you check at the consolidated market, which is represented by the name flat, is at 4%. So it means for this market, the percentage probability for this market to consolidate, okay, to consolidate in one place is only 4%, and the probability percentage of this market to rise is only 39%, and the probability percentage of this market to fall is high at 58.0%. And if you can look at this graph right here, you'll see that in as much as there are rise trades, the market is actually going down, okay. This was the last high, and now this is the last high, and you see this previous high has respected the previous high before. So you'll find that the market can also miss to break this last high right here, okay, because we can see that the probability percentage of this market going down is higher, trading at 58%. So having done all that, having had all that entries, having had all that information for yourselves right here, what do you do with it? Okay, now you have connected your derivative account to Pickbox AI. Remember, you have to connect your derivative account to Pickbox AI so that your funds will reflect on Pickbox AI, and as you place your trades, your trades will garner profits, and your profits or losses will also appear in your derivative account. All the withdrawals and deposits are done on derivative, okay. Now let's continue. Now we have the percentage probability of the market falling, okay. So what you're going to do next is you're going to come on the auto trade setting, and at this point you are going to set your stake, okay. So I'm going to have mine, for example, I'm going to have it at $10, and I'm going to be trading for only, I'm going to be targeting 4 ticks each trade, okay. And I'll put my stop loss right there, I'll put my stop loss right there, and then I'll put my take profit right there, and then my minimum age. So minimum age is where most people don't understand, and I wanted to share with you so that you can know what is going on. So the minimum age percentage is a representation of how the trades are being taken. So if you could have been using a desktop, you can see the minimum age percentage, but here we cannot see the minimum age percentage. But if you're using a desktop, you will see the minimum age percentage. So the minimum age percentage, I always like having it at 5%, because you find that the market always has the percentage age of rising sometimes goes up to 20 or sometimes goes up to 21. But if you have it at 5%, meaning you will have more entries compared to when you have it at 21, because sometimes the age does not reach up to 21%. So we always have it at 5%. So as you have done that, you will also allow equals. Okay, remember there's a point that when the market is going up, let's say our market was going up, right, and it comes down. Okay, it was going up, comes down, it reaches a point somewhere. Let me change the color so that we can see well. Our market is going up, our market is going up. Okay, it reaches a point somewhere where it has risen, it has fallen, and then it comes back to the same price level that it was before, and maybe continues going down or even continues going up. So that is why we allow equals, so that any time of the trading or any time of the day as we trade, when our market goes to an equal level, we also take that trade, and if it's a profitable trade, we take that profit. And then you'll go on and maybe allow your martingale if you have a good capital. And remember, if you're allowing martingale, you need to also check on your staking. How much are you staking and how much is your initial capital? So as you have done that, you will have done all the settings, and don't worry about these settings down here. These by default are just right. And then you are going to click on the start trading. After you click on the start trading, your trades will be taken based on the analysis that has been sent by this AI tool. You see right here, the AI tool will be taking fall trades right now, because the probability percentage of fall trades are many compared to the probability percentage of the rise trade. So if you want to change your way of trading, and if you want to simplify your way of trading, and if you want to get the precise entries on Deriv, make sure that you incorporate these AI tools. And if you also want to try out this AI tool, I have attached the link in the description. You can also join my Telegram channel. I always post strategies each and every day on how to trade with these AI tools, and how I show you on how you can use these AI tools on each and every day trading to make your trading simpler and even more profitable. So see you on the next video.